Hello everyone. Today we are going with a new topic from class 10 geography, that is agriculture. This is a very big chapter, so I divided the chapter into 4 parts, and this video comes with the first part. It includes types of agriculture and cropping pattern. So I hope everyone got the overview of this video. So let's begin with the first topic. Before going to the topic, we need to know something about agriculture. Agriculture is a very old economic activity in our country. It begins almost from the ancient period itself. Therefore, there occurs a significant change in the methods of cultivation, which depends upon the physical environment, technology, social, cultural practices, and so on. So there occurs a different types of farming. First one is the primitive subsistence farming. As the name indicates, in this type, primitive tools are used, such as hoe and digging stones. And agriculture is practiced on very small patches of land. Here, the laborers are mostly from their own family or community. Since they are not using any irrigation method, the best and cheapest way to get water is in monsoon. So this type of farming mainly depends on monsoon and other factors like fertility and environmental condition. Slash and burn agriculture is a type of primitive subsistence farming. In the previous slide, we came to know about slash and burn agriculture. Here we can look what is slash and burn agriculture. In this method, farmers clear a land to produce crop. After harvesting, naturally the fertility of soil decreases. And what do the farmers do? They shift from there and find out new land and clear fresh patches of land. And they also burn the older land. The ashes of plants makes the land more fertile. That is, it allows land to regain its natural fertility. But here the productivity is low because they are not using any type of fertilizers. But this type of agricultural practice is not recommendable because it causes large destruction of plants and trees. There are different names for slash and burn agriculture. It is known as jumming in the region of Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland and Mizoram, Pamalu in Manipur, Dipa in Chhattisgarh and Andaman and Nicobar Island. So this is about primitive subsistence farming. Next we can move on to second type of farming, that is intensive subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming. What are the features of intensive subsistence farming? Let's have a look. It is mainly practiced in area of high population pressure on land, that is in a densely populated region. It is labor intensive, that is more number of laborers are needed. Biochemical inputs are needed. Then here irrigation is practiced for higher production. Next, the main important point of intensive farming is that there occurs enormous pressure on agricultural land, which means farmers are having limited land and they have also no other source of livelihood, so that they are forced to get maximum output from the limited availability of land, thus causing large pressure on agricultural land. Subsistence crop may differ from place to place. Example, rice is a subsistence crop in Odisha, while in Punjab and Haryana it is a commercial crop. Next one, or the third type of farming, is commercial farming. As the name indicates, here the agriculture is mainly for the commercial purpose, so that they need high productivity. For higher productivity, higher doses of modern inputs are used, such as HYV or high yielding variety seeds, which are obtained through genetic engineering. Then chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides are used. As we had discussed in previous slide, rice is a commercial crop in Punjab and Haryana. Plantation is also a type of commercial farming. And do you know what is plantation? Plantation, it is nothing but a single crop is grown in larger area, and the main motive of this is the production for markets. Tea in Assam and North Bengal, coffee in Karnataka, sugarcane, banana and rubber are some of the examples of plantation crops. So with this we came to an end of types of farming. Next topic is to discuss is cropping pattern. So let's move on to cropping pattern. Cropping pattern. We know that India is a vast country and rich in diversities. These are also reflected in our agricultural practices and cropping pattern. Therefore, 3 important cropping seasons in India are Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Now let's have a look at Rabi crop. These crops are sown in winter season from October to December, and the crops are harvested during summer from April to June. Wheat, barley, pea, gram and mustard are some important Rabi crop. Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh are the major producers of wheat and Rabi crop. And also note that the precipitation during winter months due to western temperate cyclone helps in the growth of these crops. Green revolution leads to increased production of wheat, which is a Rabi crop. Therefore, Rabi crop has an impact of green revolution. Next one is the Kharif crop. It is usually sown in the onset of monsoon and harvested in September to October. Paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, ahar, moong are some of the examples of Kharif crop. Rice is also a Kharif crop. Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Maharashtra, especially the Konkan coast, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are important regions of rice production. Oats, Aman and Boro are the 3 paddy crops grown in a year in Assam, West Bengal and Odisha. And the last one is Zaid season. This season is in between Rabi and Kharif season, that is a very short period during summer. Watermelon, muskmelon, vegetables and fodder are some of the Zaid crops. Here we have to note that sugarcane is an annual crop, that is it takes almost a year to grow. Okay, with this we come to an end of this topic. I hope everyone understood the topic. Thank you for watching and wish you all the best.